Do you want to learn how to start making money online, potentially earning up to $500 a day using AI? Pay attention. You don't need some fancy degree, not even a bunch of money, to scale up 500 daily. In today's world, not even some expensive hardware or some fancy laptop. None of that stuff. All you need is some creativity and some know-how. In this series, we are going to cover the top 5 secret methods used to scale personal finances up to $500 a day if you're interested. So whether you have a business or you're just a teenager, anybody can do it. Anybody with the right mindset, right tools, and the right strategy, and a little bit of guidance, guaranteed. So let's dive into the most powerful series of lessons ever known to men. And let's start making some real hardcore money online using AI, starting today. So let's go. So be sure to watch all 5 lessons in each series to get the full benefit of how you're going to scale up your financials 500 daily. It's up to you. So let's get started. Well, what is the purpose of why we're here today? And why are we discussing AI? So this is familiar to you by now. It's something that you heard of. What am I going to tell you different, right? What I'm going to share with you that you ain't already heard. This is where you need to pay close attention. Because while AI can be a powerful ally in your journey to financial success, it is always a good, beneficial idea to start any financial journey with a financial freedom number. You're probably asking, what is a financial freedom number? A financial freedom number is set according to your personal financial goals for how much money it would take for you to quit your job in 2 weeks. Your financial freedom number represents the amount of money you need to earn to feel comfortable enough of leaving your job. Method number 1, AI plus POD. The AI plus POD method worthy of talking about in a scale of $500 daily. I thought you might ask that. In today's world, AI can offer you everything from automating tasks to offering tips for bettering decision making. The possibilities here are limitless. Share with you my experiment by showing you what I did at employing AI generated art, creating and selling print-on-demand products. I experimented with stickers and t-shirts, and I will show you the actual outcome of my result right here. So stay tuned. Could this business model truly be effective? We're going to find that out. I will show you the experiment or the test that I did on this business model. Will this approach that I'm going to show you into this business model, is this a one-trick pony or make money and build wealth for us? Or is this merely just a trend? We're going to answer these questions. We're going to discover the answer together. Artificial intelligence system, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Coyote gives you the ability of stunning artwork within seconds. Now, we're going to figure out how do we get paid. That's what we're trying to figure out. We already know this is a practical approach. Technology development has these initiatives for you create the stunning artwork and we're going to bring it to an online marketplace like Redbubble, Teespring, or Epstein. We have the artwork and now we have the marketplace. Will this results in creation of a fully operated business that does not require any inventory. By leveraging AI-generated designs, are able to create brand new entrepreneurs, have the ability to tap into a vast market of custom products that are appealing to a diverse customer taste. This streamlines the creative process, and it opens up a new avenue, artist expression. Because even if you're just a teenager seeking to launch a new business, you'll be successful with this business model. Why does this combination of AI and print on demand benefits? It's because this business model gives you the ability of operating as a business without the expenses, business licenses and upfront money, literally no inventory. It has the potential for passive income. Yes, you can be a teenager making your own passive income, and you're not spending hours and you're not spending thousands. We have to knowledge that we can generate AI artwork, and we can combine it with print on demand. Now, we're going to turn it into a product. Answer another question. So what products sell best with the marketplace? How the initiatives to come together? So we're going to look for the best products will sell in this strategy. I'm giving you the best blueprint that I can using AI artwork. And if you follow this blueprint, you'll be successful. We'll break for our sponsor.
This video is sponsored by Better Sleep, because running a business without adequate rest is not sustainable. That's a no-go. Grab their free app and let your brain recharge. Link in the description. Now back to the video.
So for beginners, exploring the world of pubs that utilize AI graphics that can be used on stickers and t-shirts are currently the most popular and user-friendly product option, making it easy for newcomers to experiment with design. As they gain confidence and they're making a little money, they can then expand their offering, include other merchandise like mug and best product that can even teens can use to get started are AI generated sticker design and t-shirt markups. Arts, also screenshots of top selling products from Redbubble, Epstein. So why do this? Tell you why. It's because it's the business model that allow you with the products that are cheap to produce, easy to design, and always in design to think memes, quotes, and characters, niche hoodies, anything else that is visually eye-catching can become a sticker or t-shirt. Now I would like to share with you my 7-day experiment that I used to test this model, and follow the exact steps of the experiment as I give them to you, so that you can also test this model also. So first I generated 10 unique art designs, and I used Midjourney to get it done. And then with the 10 designs, I took 5 of them and turned them into stickers. I took the 5 sticker designs and made them 5 sticker pack using Canva. Format my designs into stickers. I turned the other 5 designs into t-shirt, and I focused on making them trending t-shirt, you know, what would most people want. It was I uploaded my design to Redbubble, could use another marketplace, and then after that, finally, I can sell my product now. However, first I need to promote my product. I have done this by posting social media promotion on Instagram. You can also use TikTok if you want to, or you can use whatever choice that you have for promoting. So this is what I did in my experiment. You can follow along. Experiment, and it was a success. Although it did take a little bit longer than a 7-day experience. The results are in. So what happened? I sold 4 of my 5 sticker design packages. 4 out of 5. The other ones probably sell by the time I post this video. And also sold 2 of the 5 t-shirts, which also might sell by the time I post this t-shirt. But this, at the time where I concluded the results so that I can make this video, and it took about a week and a half, I made $89.47 in revenue. It's a total of $38.22 in profits, which is not a lot of money, but it was not bad for just a few hours of work. This was just a brief test anyway, right? Just an experiment that was just trying this method. I do believe that anyone can turn this into a passion and make it out of a very successful business with the right niche and consistently posting. This can turn into a company that can scale very fast. With just the little money that I made, this being a full-time business, all the hard work and dedication you give your 9 to 5. Imagine if you did this, you gave the same dedication and you did this. You can turn the few bucks that I made and you can make a full wage out of it. Would definitely pass for the $500 a day. So I would like to share with you just a few things that I learned by doing this experiment, and this should help you out a little bit. You may relearn these anyway. So a few tips is funny cats definitely beats generated quotes or jokes. So funny cats, funny dogs, stuff like that, that definitely had the more kick for my customers. They definitely went for that faster. And the second point is that Pinterest actually drives more clicks than Instagram. I was able to kick it over and over time and get to more sales. The last thing I would like to share, the stickers sell best, particularly by selling sticker packs. So I did bundle it up in packs. They was gone. You know, I sold 4 out of 5 just like that as soon as I packed them. So that means this is not just a trend. We're gonna give that a score of A. It does qualify a $500 a day strategy. Yay, celebration. Try to go through that same experiment out of there and give it a try. If I can make money from this, from AI art and pub, with this, the same strategy, you can do it too. Stay tuned for video 2, this method, so that we can smash it in the markets of this method, making $500 a day. This is a 5 video series, also 5 methods, so 5 series. Smash that like button and subscribe. If you comment, YouTube would think they need to let you know there's a video there. Drop a 7 in the comments, y'all, so that you'll be the first one for the video to fall on. And also like and subscribe and share it with all your friends at work. You know, let them see you making money first. Let them, you do the experiment, and you also do a review video and you show them what's happening. And if you do that and you share with me your experience, I will drop for you and reveal my top 10 best-selling AI art niche. Thank you for hanging in there and watching this video, and y'all have a great day.